Hi, you're welcome. On this video, I want to share with you how you can set up your Google Authenticator. Okay. What you need to do when you're on the site that you want to back up your secret key, uh, they'll give you a private key that you need to copy. All right. So you click on it and you copy. All right. Once you copy this key, you go to your Google Authenticator. If you've not downloaded, you can get it from Google Play Store. Then you download it. Then after installing it, you just come here. You click the add button. If you're using a laptop, you can simply just scan the barcode. But if you're not, as for me here, I'm using a mobile phone, so I quickly try to enter my private key here. Then you can name your stuff the way you like it. You can give it any name you like. So I just give it permission, so I know that this stuff is made for permission because I have a lot of stuff on this my Google Authenticator. You can actually have more than enough. Okay. So you click on the add button, and this is it. Okay, so you simply come here and you copy the 6-digit number, then you go back to the site. Yeah, you'll be provided with a place where you can do this. All right. After that, you just confirm. It's as simple as that, and that is it. Wow, I did it twice. So the verification has been enabled. So now my Google Authenticator has been authenticated. So thanks for watching, share, and like. Bye.